Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Kelly, aka Susan.Vee. But anyways, I created this look. It's so pretty, guys, so subtle, really clean beat, and I used the new JuviasPlace Wahala palette. I know it's a colorful palette, but I wanted to make sure that you guys can also do, something subtle, for those that don't really like too much colors. Also, I promised you guys I was going to use all mattes to show you guys how the mattes perform, and they're pigmented. If you don't know how to blend, you just want to take a little bit, if possible, blow it off and blend, because they're very pigmented. One tap and that's it. Okay, so if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. It's going to be a talk through video. Sorry, it's going to be a voiceover video. What am I talking about? It's going to be a voiceover video so that it's fast. I just wanted to show you how it performs. It's not like a tutorial, but it's kind of like a tutorial. Okay, Skelly, you need to shut up. All right, guys, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and tell your family, let them join this family, because I'm here to stay. Okay, even though I might not be that consistent, don't worry, I'm gonna get there one day, but I'm here to stay. Kisses, catch ya later. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, I'm using the JuviasPlace concealer to prime my eyes. And then I'm going to use the Wahala palette, and I'm using ASAP, the brown shade, and I just tapped it, guys, and I'm just putting that in my crease. And then I'm taking Wasted to kind of blend it out. It's the orangey shade. I just tapped my brush, like basically I was just touching these shadows lightly, guys. And then I used the Anastasia primer to kind of lighten my eyes, so that the shadow I use, which is Yab, will kind of pop a little bit. And that's it. Pigmented, no creasing, none of that, guys. Then I used this LA Girl eyebrow gel, and I used it's brown, so I used it to kind of like put it as my base, and then I went in with ASAP to smoke it out a little bit, guys. I wanted that smoky liner look, and as you can tell, popping. I put on my lashes, and I'm using my YSL Touche primer. I was so bougie in this video, guys. Well, then I went back to my pore self, and I used my Wet n Wild serum. And then I went back with my fancy foundation, which is the NARS foundation in New Caledonia, and it's bomb as hell, guys. Can you see my skin? Yeah. And then I used the ELF concealer in Caramel. This is the matte one. Love this so much. It gives me the best highlight color, and I love it. But yeah, guys, that's what I'm doing, just putting it around. I used to do this thing. And then I use the JuviasPlace concealer in 4, and that's what I'm going to use to kind of like bronze up my skin / contour, but not really contour, but we're just bronzing, if you know what I mean. But yeah, guys. And then you blend. I mean, obviously, you don't want to go out looking crazy. And, I'm looking flawless right now. And then I use my Anastasia powder in translucent, the white one, bomb. And then I used ASAP under my waterline as well. And baby, this is as natural as it can get. Then I use my Black Radiance blush in Raspberry, and it's like the subtle like berry blush. Like, it's just beautiful. And then Nuban Glow in Sizzle. Baby, look at my skin. This was the only thing I used, and I mean, it gave me the perfect highlight. And then Petty Betty, the gloss, I just put that with my lip liner, and boom, here you got it. The natural look that you all have been waiting for. Babe, she's a hottie, a beauty. Kisses, Kasia, Lera.